After opening the outer packaging of this package you received, you'll find inside it one battery adapter, one instruction manual, two fixing screws, three fuses, two 30-amp fuses and one 40-amp fuse, and one 12 AWG fuse wire. This wire is originally in a closed state. You need to cut it according to your own needs when using it. Now let me introduce this battery adapter with low voltage protection function in detail. This is a multifunctional battery adapter that adds low voltage protection, real-time voltage display, electronic switch, removable dual-channel interface, and other functions to conventional battery adapters, allowing your battery to be used in different scenarios and protecting the battery. This adapter is very simple to use. The first step is to connect the load to out plus and out, according to the requirements of use. It is recommended that the connection line between the out plus port and the load be equipped with a fuse. The second step is to insert the battery. Press the on button to turn on the module, and out plus starts outputting current. And that's it, and the adapter works. However, it should be noted that the default setting value of the adapter's low voltage protection is the normal setting. LT 16V HT 16.5V. If the battery is aging, the setting value needs to be adjusted according to the specific situation. See the setting method later for specific settings. When the module is in use, the voltage value is detected in real time. When the voltage is lower than the set value of LT, start timing. When the recording time is greater than or equal to the set stop delay time, the module will automatically power off to protect the battery and stop output. The default setting of stop delay time is 20s. Press on again after replacing the battery, and then the module will work normally. Next, explain the setting method in detail. Insert the battery into the adapter. Press the on button, the LED screen lights up, and the adapter starts working. The screen displays the current real-time battery voltage. Set low voltage protection value CH and CL value. Delay power off time. Screen off mode setting. Voltage calibration setting. CH value setting. Press the up or down key until the LED displays the CH high threshold. Short press the set key. Then press the up or down key to adjust the LED display value. Set the CH value to 16.5V. Press the set key to confirm and save. To set the CL value, press the up or down key until the LED displays the CL low threshold. Short press the set key. Then press the up or down key to adjust the LED display value and set the CL value to 16V. Press the set key to confirm and save. Note, this is the normal setting value for 20V DeWALT battery. If your battery is aged, both the high and low thresholds need to be set to lower values. Delay power off time setting. Press the up or down key until the LED displays D00. Short press the set key. The screen flashes and displays the set value. Then press the up or down key to adjust the delay stop time. The default is 20 seconds. Press the set key to confirm and save after setting. Screen off mode setting. Press the up or down key until the LED displays PXX. Then press the set key. The screen flashes to enter the setting, and press the up or down key to select. P00 means constant on, and P01 means intelligent off. No button operation, automatically off in 60 seconds. After it goes off, press set to restore the LED display. After selecting, press the set key to confirm and save. Voltage calibration setting. If the voltage error is caused by weather, temperature, or device reasons, you can use a multimeter to detect the voltage and then calibrate the setting. Setting method. Press the up or down key. When the LED displays CRL, press the set key to enter the calibration value setting, and then press the up or down key to adjust to the correct voltage value detected by the multimeter. At this time, press the set key. The LED displays CAO to indicate that the calibration value has been stored and the calibration is completed. Short press the set key to exit the setting. If you want to quickly restore to factory defaults after using it for a while, the operation method is to press the set and on keys at the same time in the off state to restore to the default settings. This adapter has two output functions, so it is very convenient to connect two or more batteries in series and parallel. As shown in the picture, the connection method of the two batteries in series and parallel is shown. If you have a large output current, you can also combine the two outputs into one because the maximum current that one output bears is 40-50A. After the two channels are combined into one, the maximum current that can be borne will reach more than 80A, thereby increasing the maximum output current that can be withstood. As shown in the picture, the connection method must be careful not to connect the positive and negative electrodes incorrectly. Adapter FAQ. First, can it change the output voltage? Let's test the battery voltage and compare it with the output voltage of the plug-in adapter to see. Adapter FAQ. First, can it change the output voltage? Let's test the battery voltage and compare it with the output voltage of the plug-in adapter to see. Voltage is equal to the battery voltage. Second, which batteries is it suitable for? This battery adapter is compatible with the DeWALT series below 30V. Third, we see that the measured voltage is the same value, so it cannot change the output voltage. It is just the action of the adapter, and the output voltage is equal to the battery voltage. Second, which batteries is it suitable for? This battery adapter is compatible with the DeWALT series below 30V. Third, the battery voltage shows that it is greater than the low voltage threshold, but the power will be cut off soon after starting. What's the matter? This situation is due to battery aging. When the load is started, the starting current is generally large, causing the battery voltage to drop too much, thus triggering low voltage protection. In this case, it is recommended to replace the battery with a new one or use two batteries in parallel to increase the load capacity of the battery. In addition, appropriately lowering the low voltage protection threshold to increase the stop delay can delay the chance of this happening. However, note that setting the low voltage threshold too low will cause the module to lose the purpose of low voltage protection. Fourth, will the battery power be consumed after the module is closed? This will not happen because the battery consumption is zero after closing. The battery itself has a self-discharge phenomenon. When it is not used for a long time for several months, it still needs to be charged in time even if it is removed to avoid the reduction of battery life.